Hey guys, it's Vince at CG Vinyl Studio, and right now we're working with one of our new toys that we just got in. It's our SureColor P7000. You can see right now she's laying down ink on our CG Vinyl glossy vinyl substrate. Now, of course, we get lots of questions on this as far as color reproduction, and you can see the gloss on that. And you can see again, this printer has 11 ink cartridges, and again, it's laying down this ink so smooth, and the color spectrum is just amazing. We're getting the real vibrant green. Again, with the spectrometer, we've got everything dialed in. And again, with this substrate, I cannot emphasize enough, you do not need this multi-thousand-dollar unit to get these kind of finishes. The big thing here is how you take your time and you set up your printer's actual ICC profile if required. Some you do not. Again, if you're using an Epson brand, typically you're pretty much ready to go out of the box. The color spectrum on them is amazing. Canon takes usually a little more fine tuning as it tends to be a little darker. But again, you can definitely, I hope the camera is really picking up how vibrant that green is. It's just amazing. Again, the gloss is really hard. Now this, of course, is not laminated yet. It's coming right out of the printer. But this job is super, super smooth. And again, we just wanted to show you, again, the possibilities are virtually endless. And to give you an idea, again, this is without a doubt, especially now with how things are as difficult as they are, anyone who's working with graphics will tell you, you will easily recoup your investment very, very quickly once you guys fine-tune the settings on your printer to get the results you're looking for. And again, this one, the P7000, just so the questions are answered prior to actually being asked, it's a 24-inch printer. It's wide format. Again, it's using the Ultra Chrome ink set. You can see them results right there. They really speak for themselves. Again, you've got three different mattes, three different blacks with this unit, so color reproduction is just amazing. And again, on that substrate, if you're looking to give your clients, again, if you laminate with 3M8518, the closest to an actual paint job as far as digital reproduction of graphics, this is the way to go. Okay, guys, you all take care. And again, send them questions over to Joanna and I, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.